On September 16th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a roadway following reports of a vehicle driving erratically. Upon arriving to survey the area, officers observed a car matching the description parked on the shoulder.
I'm not going to shoot your dog. Do not let this dog out.
Can I step out?
Yep. Shut the door. Do not let the dog out.
Trust me, I'm an animal sanctuary non-for-profit. I've done this my whole life.
Okay.
That's what I do for a living.
That dog-
That's why I asked permission if I
Okay,
could
thank
step
you.
out.
Thank you. You got called in as doing 100 down this road.
Me?
Yeah.
Card or anything. That's my son. Do you want me to?
No. I want to make sure those dogs don't get out the window.
No, sir. Do you want me to roll it?
No,
up?
I don't want you to open that up again.
I was
So
about to say I can roll it.
just
if you...
come to the side of the window here. I'm going to sit in the car, and then if
My
you get...
son is in the car. Is it okay if I go back and forth?
That's fine. Yeah.
I don't.
Go over there. Yes.
Literally weed.
Yeah. Have you been drinking today?
No, sir. I don't drink.
You don't drink?
No, I can smoke. I smoke weed. I have a medical card too, even.
That doesn't make it legal to drive.
No, I know it's federally illegal. I know, sir. I'm just saying, like, you're asking what I'm doing.
So here.
I smoked at 8 a.m. exactly.
All right. So here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to put you through the field sobriety test.
What is that? Kendall, I've been living here for 2 years.
Okay. Here's what I need you to do. Okay.
This
Turn your back to my squad car.
Me anxious, sir.
Turn your back to my squad car.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Back here. Come here, ma'am. Just back up. Okay. Put your heels and toes together, arms down your side, just like this. Okay. But stand like this. That's all I'm asking you to do. Put your hands at your side. Okay. Keep your arms at your sides. Okay. Keep your arms at your sides.
I'm
Listen,
sorry.
I'm trying to get this done. Okay.
I know. I was just taught to always thought. My mom always told me.
Okay. There you go. Keep your head still.
You're right in the sun, so that's really not fair.
Let's turn your back to the sun.
So, I never once said that. I said my speech is sounding.
Okay, so you can walk a straight line?
Yeah, do you want me to walk a straight line? What I said was my flip-flops that I am a hillbilly and that I've only walked straight line with, like,
Do you have
barefoot.
a problem taking a PBT?
No, I can.
Take a deep breath and take a PBT. Okay. What that is the involuntary jerking of the eyes. It's an indicator of a high level of alcohol or depressants. Okay. So
that's what happened with Kane County last time. I was throwing up last time because I was throwing up.
So then, if you would just do this and it would show zeros, then I would know that there's something more going on. You are not blowing as I've instructed you to.
I'm going to let you know right now. It's not going to show zeros because I have.
All right, you're under arrest for DUI. You're under arrest for DUI.
This is what I mean. Like you guys did this last time. You did this last time. Oh no, I can't even do this. This is what you guys did last time. I didn't mean. And y'all had to write an apology last time.
What is your mom's address? Your mother, stop this. Get up there and be an adult and have a seat. Listen to me.
No, I have been.
Okay. Then I'm going to have to take your kid.
Then do it. Really?
Listen.
This prick is going to taser me. You're going to get your license and removed like the last county sheriff.
I'm getting drunk, smelling.
Really? That's exactly what the black ass cop said last
that's
time.
real nice.
Wow. That's going to look good in court.
Oh, it's going to look in court that
Sit down.
truth?
Sit down.
I'm going to pick you up like a toddler and put you in there.
All right, go ahead, y'all.
Let's pick her up.
What did you do?
You're lucky I don't fucking rip it. It's just pulled out of the fucking undercover. Just shove it back in there.
Wow.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, stop it.
Hey. Oh, you want to have me to do it? I respect every fucking cop here, but you get your ass. Get him off me. Get him off me. I want him off me. I won't get him off me. I will respect you and everyone else. Get him off me.
You guys aren't here.
Get him out of here.
Bye-bye.
The woman was charged with DUI and child endangerment. Her brother arrived to take custody of her child but refused to take responsibility for the dogs. On scene, she registered a blood alcohol concentration of 0.